In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to your Wix site, whether you're building a community, running a membership-based organization, or simply looking to create a more interactive experience for your site visitors. Wix makes it straightforward to manage and invite members to your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up this feature and start growing your online community. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Wix website editor. This is the central hub for making all the customizations and updates to your site. If you're already logged in to your Wix account, simply head to your website editor by clicking Edit Site on your dashboard. Once you're in the editor, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to locate the magnifying glass icon. This is Wix's search feature, which allows you to quickly find tools, settings, and features without having to scroll through menus. You can usually find the magnifying glass in the upper right corner of the editor. Click on it and a search bar will appear. Now, in the search bar that pops up, type the word group. This will help you locate the Wix Groups feature, which is a built-in tool designed for creating and managing groups within your site. Groups are perfect for fostering communication and engagement among your site members. Once you type in group, you should see an option labeled Wix Groups appear in the search results. Go ahead and select it. This feature is exactly what we'll be using to enable member functionality on your site. After selecting Wix Groups, you'll see a button that says Add to Site. Click on this button to integrate the Wix Groups functionality into your website. This step essentially installs the group feature so you can begin using it right away. Depending on your site setup, it might take a few moments to finish adding, but once it's done, you'll be ready to move forward. Now that the Wix Groups feature has been added, navigate back to your website editor. You'll notice that Wix Groups is now available as part of your site's features. The next step is to click on the Manage Groups option. This is where you'll be able to access your group management dashboard and control everything related to your site's groups. Inside the management dashboard, look for the option labeled Add Members. This is the key feature that allows you to bring members into your group. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. From here, you have two options for adding members to your group. The first option is to manually add new members. You can do this by entering their details, such as their name and email address, directly into the provided fields. This method is great if you already have a list of individuals you want to add and don't want to wait for them to accept an invitation. The second option is to invite members via email. With this method, you send an invitation directly to their email inbox, and they can join the group by following the link in the invitation. This is a convenient option if you'd like to give your members the choice to join at their own pace. And that's it. Once you've added or invited your members, your group is ready to go. You've now successfully set up a space where your site visitors can engage, connect, and interact with each other, all within your Wix site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.